got ready for the cut. It's like a Caesar cut that I used to call it. And I think Zoe did, didn't she?
Yeah.
Youngsters call it a block cut. Old timers call it a Caesar look. So that's prepared. You're going to have quite a heavy chopped fringe, aren't you?
Yeah.
And Leon, to be honest, it's probably the easiest. It's trendy, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's the easiest, definitely the easiest look for to keep longevity in a hair system. Yeah. Okay, cool. That's actually loose. There's no tape or glue there, and it still looks natural because the lace and the venting is of high quality. Right, so the reason, so we got a bit of shine there. If you put that back again, that dulls after a couple of days. See the shine? That's tape. Initially you can see that when it's fitted, but I know, because I have it as well, that that actually subsides. Is that the right word? Are you still a mute? Yes, you are. Okay, right, so that will. So if we've sprayed some water into that, which isn't a good idea, it will lose its shine. Okay.
Oh, look, young again.
How young are you?
30.
Gee, hair systems, eh?
Yeah.
Such an easy style. Right, look up at me, young man. Right, okay, so let's give this some justice. Right, if you just move slightly, your head slightly that way, that's it, stop. Yeah, so texturize in and then go the other way. That's it. And then look at me again. Give a good smile. All right, so swept back look to I call it Caesar. What's the modern word for it?
Bomber cutting.
Oh, is it? Right, okay. Right, so these are the easiest cuts for maintenance, guys, and longevity. So if everybody had this, they would get more for their money. End of story, right? So you've tried to swept back look. Loved it because the pictures are great.
It's high maintenance though.
Hard maintenance, so happy days with this.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
That's it. Right, stay like that. That's it. That's doing it more justice outside. If you just spin round slowly, that's it, and keep going, keep going. Stop there. That's good, and keep going round. All right, excellent.